Yes, people don't know in a media facts, how comfortable situation at the media is. What me I try to say? Yeah, man, about, as they say in the media, Kiprich get charged and arrested, see me? Yeah, and him and Skipper, personal interest in the little gang thing, I don't know. The one that the badness thing, one other gang thing, You know the other day what happened to him and thing is what me I try to say, but it look like Kiprich do a dub plate or something, you know? I big him up or whatsoever. You see me and end up that thing get arrested and charged. You see me? In a some interest and but people, in a Jamaica right now with this a crime rate and thing. You see me? You have to really watch what you say and certain look at energy, Jeremy I try to say so. This bigging up a Dan and whatsoever, you see me? We know other artists do it, but in other time it's serious. You see me? You don't know. People are saying maybe to him go at this party, politician party conference and people have them opinion and everything, you see me, but you just have to watch, I know it's a freedom of speech, but you really have to watch what you say, you see me, because you don't know the system of Jamaica with the anti-gang law thing, you see me? Them kind of, yo, as them hear you call up certain name or whatsoever, you see me, because seem like, remember that girl there, who come out and a defend the one other than and thing, and she not get charged and every little thing, you see me? So, them take them thing as serious, you see it, and, what Kiprich say, is a dub plate him do for your brother and them splice it up and every little thing, you see me? So, end up that see there, them call him in, book him, arrest him and charge him, is what I try to say, for the little, what you call it, the connect, the influence and them something there, with the dub plate or whatsoever, you see me? Where based on the music, where I promote violence and whatsoever, you see me? But, a lot of artists do that, you see me? But, that one, yeah, it have to do with a big top man, big top, you see me? Gang leader and everything, With them take out the other day, you see me? So, as artists, I have to just watch what I say, you see me? Certain little things, when you talk, sometimes word is power, you see me? And system are watching every little thing, you see me? So, as you call a name and do a big up, them, for them mind, them things say, yo, something I want, some interest or whatsoever, you see me? So, but we don't know. Say some of the artists them, the gang leader them or whatever, some of them are rate artists and thing and some of them are producer and every little thing since we, but you don't know the things there already. A music thing, but you just have to watch the message when I put out there. You see me? Cause you end up in the wrong situation. You see me? So now for watch when I big up or who not big up. You see, cause the system take them people are serious, You see it. So once you say something like for them or you do that big up, them are things say yo, you involved or whatsoever. You see me? Worse with this anti-gang thing. You see me? You have to watch what you do and watch what you say. Cause remember, your system out there so different, You see me? Yeah, worse with this a high crime rate. You have to just go on easy and go on. You just have to stay far from certain things. You see it? Yeah, man. So, I guess Kiprich say, yo, him do a dub plate for your DJ overseas, but he must say, them splice it and whatsoever and put in the gang leader name and whatsoever. And you see me, must say, I deal with music and everything or whatever, but he forgot to say a theme voice. You see me? And whatever said in the thing, them are going to read that, them no business. But if you have voice, they'll play for somebody or whatsoever, them are tune into you. You see me? And see where it end up here, get arrested and charged. You see me? Because sometimes I do work the thing them way, when you connect with yourself to, You see me? We know say, we not try to make a money and try to make a food and every little thing, but we have to just watch you, connect with a name too. You understand? Worse in a Jamaica where them the systems there already. Once you call a name where them not like, you understand? Or where them get rid or whatever, them are gonna name you as some personal interest or whatever, you see me? I want to connect, you see me, cause them gonna start pre and say, wait, how I go on here so? You see me? Yeah man, cause you don't know them done say for morning say the music, you see me, influence a lot of things on the youth. So imagine all of this. You see me? They must say, yo, what is that going? You see me? So, as artists, as Skipper, Skipper, you have to just watch what you say, bro. You're just starting at the music business and thing. You have to watch what you tie yourself to, you see me? I know, say, when I try to make a food with the dub plate and I don't look a lyrical thing or whatsoever, but the system now play right now. I remember say them not too like artists already, But you don't know when election time come them use, but them still not like the artist thing. You see me? And sometimes I have to just watch when I say no music. You see it? Cause it could have been either, cause as Kiprich say, he might do a dub plate and he never expect this year happen or whatsoever, but you have to look between the words them what him say. You see me? Or them could have spliced it in, but I understand still, come I say, yo, although the AI thing, but he must say them splice it up or whatsoever, but so the DJ them can get a forward or whatsoever, you see me? So but he might go pay the consequence same way. You see me? So artists out there, you just have to just learn from this. You see me? Cause it's serious out there right now. You see me? You have to watch. I remember say with the gang leader, and I remember say where did them get with him, and a lot of investigation are going. So worse them artists Kiprich and Skippa, worse them go affiliate them name with the situation. It kind of go raise the awareness with the system, and then them go want to ask back a question or whatsoever or intel, you see me? Cause with the Kiprich thing, I realize a lot of person name, you see me? I think I'm about 16, so it's a whole lot of thing going, whole lot of thing. But I hope the artists them learn them lesson, you see me? And know what them a do. You see it? Because the system done not like the artists them already. You see me with certain little thing. And you know the music kinda influential too. You see me? Yeah, it influential. It's not a 100% influence, but it give a good amount of percentage. You see me? Cause remember nowadays nobody not to watch TV like that again. I do social media and all of them little thing there, you see me? And music same way. Anything you do, you clean your house or whatever, you listen to music. Any little thing you do, you listen to music for motivate you see me? But remember say something where I got to your ears and to connect to your brain. You see me? And certain songs, the message in a song you can relate to. You see me? And certain things might say at night and you say what you want. Is what I try to say. So the artists have to just watch what them I say. You see me? And watch what them I try connect them personal self or you see me? Them brand to certain things. You see me? Cause remember an artist and having a brand, when I have to just know when I tie a name to or when I say it on the mouth cause you can put in a problem. You see me? Cause see them get charged, you see me? And it's some violence thing or whatsoever, you see me? So if him get charged and arrest and charge, it's a serious thing. You see me? And him have him lawyer and every little thing. So when you see them call him up, it's a serious thing. You see me? Cause Jamaica get to a way right now, and if you just watching yourself worse with police and all them little thing, you see me? Yeah man people. And I don't know, remember for like, share and subscribe to Don't forget, you understand? Yeah man, to support the movement, you see me? But when you just have to watching yourself out there and watch on the connect. I remember, when an artist, you see me, I know have powers. You see me, remember saying create music and that create good and bad, you see me? So when I have to watch you on a tie on a name too, or watch you on a sing our words out of the mouth. You see it? Yeah man. Cause see there, as Kiprich say, yo, you must say that dub plate him do. And the person who buy the dub plate from him say, yo, just call a name ya or whatsoever, cause he must say him not know the person them, the other person them with the personal interest or whatsoever. You see me? Them no, him say him not know them. Not know them name so. But what you say, cause sometimes, yeah, you might get your money and everything, but sometimes the words you have to just look what you do, cause you know what the worst thing to You see if what you go down with the one other gang that done with you see if that did happen like I'll say 1 year ago and them come do this, it would have been different. You see me? But it is so close with the one bag of tension and people are come out and every little thing. Can remember them keep a little get together theme and every little thing, you see me, and police forward and you see me and try a thing and so through it close to the moment now and then maybe Kiprich and Skippa now, I guess Skippa do a song. You see it? I'm not supposed to see it in the media, do a song. Or badness and whatsoever, you see me? Through a little tribute, you see me? So and something that him dub play Kiprich, you see me? So it's so sudden, so done. I just two of them fall in line with the situation. Cause them call the person name, you see me? And it's a done. So that kind of flare up a lot of things with the feds. You see me? And them I forget look a call in and every little thing. But remember say from morning we say word is power, And what you say out of your mouth, you see me? Cause the anti-gang law thing, remember me tell you something when that, brother. You understand? Like, you have to just watch what you do. You see, once it's a gang, and your name like go close to it or influence it, them are gonna scrape you up. You understand? Once it's a gang, cause them take the system take them things serious, whereas with the crime and the violence and everything, them take the, you understand? Yeah, man. So them take the gang thing serious, man. So I just them two man I get caught up in the thing, you see me? Remember said the other day them they want get into Ayakti, but you see me? So you have to just know what I do, I wanna tie yourself to, tie on a name to, tie on a brand to, you understand? And start out the local situation. You see it? You can't just say everything, and you understand? Yeah. You have freedom of speech, but let me tell you this, in Jamaica, it don't matter when it was strict or foreign, but out here so you have to watch what you say, man. It don't matter. You understand? You can't just say anything in Jamaica. Cause remember, you know, the law only go for certain people, you know. You see me? Yeah. Law only go for certain people. You see it? So you have to watch what you say and watch what you do. You see me? Yeah, man. So the artists them just watch what I do, watch when I tie, you know, self to I wanna sing or whatever. Certain local situation. Try to stay far from it. You see me? Cause no really wanna get caught up in that, you know. Anything you have to do with gang name or whatsoever, you have to stay far. You see it? Yeah, man. You have to stay far. We know say sometimes you know might dead it, you know might link or whatsoever. We just maybe do a favor for somebody, and you know, outside of that, fool the name and you have the fame and you have the influence, or you never get caught up in a situation. You see me? Cause in Jamaica you can't just say anything and just get to it, so. You see me? Yeah, man. So I hope the artists them really learn from this, cause let's see what go on, cause I think Kiprich have court. I think him have a court case. Him have a court case for go deal with for the same situation. You see me? So we have to just watch out, man. You see me? We have to just watch out, wanna put in yourself with our time and name it. You see what I try to say? And yeah, you might do a dub or whatever, but the message is a powerful thing. You see it? Powerful thing. Cause you might do something and you call a name, you know. You see me? I know the person where play the song, I go get it. Are you, because I your voice. You understand? Yeah, I your voice. So now for those watch out. You see me? Can't just do anything or say anything. Cause you know a system still out there already. Worse, you know a system corrupt, but you have to just watch where I say same speed. You see it, and it's so sudden. Like it's so easily for you know somebody like a celebrity or whatever get caught up with certain things. When if I was a regular man or whatever, them wouldn't really be way, but you don't know una artist, and when the music go out there and everything, and the system and the feds are listen. You see me? And I might wonder why una say this or link to that or whatsoever, you see me? So now for those what you wanna do out them, man. The artists them what you wanna do, cause things serious right now, you know. You see me, the system now play right now when it comes to violence and them little thing they now with the music right now. You see me? Them take them things serious. Cause when you pre it still, like if you keep rich for what him do, like you say you know, violence, and you see me? You say you know artists sing about certain things still and nothing come out of it. But that one you know, it kinda different in a way where the incident will go down with the Dan, you see me, the other day, and then you know, Kiprich do a dub or whatsoever, and you know, bigging up go on, and you know, him does making money, and then Skippa do a music with like a song, you know, and he might hold up the picture of the Dan and every little thing, and in a video and everything, you see me. So I remember the girl who found out to defend the thing or whatsoever, she get charged too, you see me, and attack, she just attack, you see it, and I think the way she come out is like some threat or whatsoever, so you know, them charge she, so I just one of them thing there. You see me, when I for just watch out when I say artist and try to stay far from certain local situation, you see me? Yeah, man. And the words will come out, check the background, check the room first. You see it? Think before you say things, or think before you make the move. You see me? But you don't know any people, you don't know media facts now, just attack on a local situation. We are going on media, is it? Kiprich and the Skipper thing, you don't know. Yeah, man. Respect. Respect for the support, and just like, share and subscribe. Click the like button, you see me, before you leave and thing, you see me? Yeah, man. Big up everyone, you don't know. That is it.